So I'm here at KFC in South Africa. Let's check out what they have. I'm not sure about that. I'll take the Zinger burger. Quite interactive. So what I got here is 10 dunked wings. And what is dunked wings? These are made out of honey, soy sauce and ginger. So it's something very unique to South Africa. And over here is this is a Zinger burger. So it's quite spicy. It's got like that mayo and tangy mayo sauce to it with some tomato and a big fat crispy patty, chicken patty, and sauce on both sides. That's what I like. Firm bun as well. That's nice soft bread rolls. And one of the best things I've been craving for a long time.
Proper mash and gravy.
Proper mash and gravy. Something that you'd really appreciate if you're not from South Africa. And then over here, proper chicken. Proper chicken. I'm just gonna put that in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna start off with chicken. Smells a bit tangy, spiky. Wow, pretty strong flavor from the ginger, I guess, in it. Very soft, very juicy. Kind of goes down well. It has a bit of a bite to it and a bit of a spikiness and taste. Kind of just tantalizes your buds. It has a plethora of flavors in it, but that honey comes through quite well. Got a bit of that sweetness to it. This one is a bit more gingery. That's the best thing about KFC. After you eat KFC South Africa, you want to just lick your fingers like that. Probably the best thing I've eaten so far. But also it stings a little bit. So you know my rules about tomatoes. These are not from the Lord. But just look at that. Doused with sauce on both sides. Both sides. And that's what I really like. It's saucy. It looks appetizing. And the buns are quite crispy as well. And just a small sliver of lettuce on that. The chicken is really fresh, it's really crispy. You can tell that they made it right now. It wasn't made yesterday and put in the fridge. The bun, it holds up together quite well. You don't want a burger where the bun is just falling apart and getting squishy. This is quite nice. And that sauce, so the chicken is already quite tangy, but the sauce is equally as tangy. This is what I love about KFC in South Africa. It's meant to be enjoyed, and it's easy to enjoy. It's not difficult to enjoy KFC. Ultimately one of the best burgers, chicken burgers I've had in South Africa. Look, I know KFC gets a lot of flack for being unhealthy food and what have you, but until you tried South African KFC, you cannot talk about that. Okay, maybe it's crazy in other countries, I know, I've tried it, but in South Africa the KFC is absolutely amazing in terms of taste, in terms of quality, in terms of freshness. It's one of the best I've ever eaten. Nice soft bun, just nice soft bun, just open it through like that. Not hard, quite easy to take and eat with it. And then you got your mash and gravy here. That's one of the best things I've ever seen. So I got my spoon, my see they got some chili on it, some spice on it. Not just the chicken, they got some probably to the skin of it. Let's put some mashed gravy on it. Best mashed gravy you will ever get in KFC. I guarantee you that. And I've been to other places in the world and eaten KFC. Probably the best place I've been to. The gravy is salty, it's got mystery in it. The mash is very soft, not hard, not like a ball. Just it's inviting you. It's like having a roast chicken on a Sunday with mashed gravy. It's just the same. It just goes with it quite well. This is what I've been craving for a long time. Chicken skin like it. This chicken skin. It is so juicy. Too good. Very good. Let's just have some mashed gravy. Mashed gravy with the juices of the chicken skin. You have to eat it with your hands, no fork and knife. That's how you're going to enjoy it. Enough talking from me. Now it's time to eat.